What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dani Dior, and I'm back with more.
Your body the tropics, girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body the tropics, girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no.
First, I want to say first and foremost, if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Dani. I like to eat, do my hair, and keeps going nowhere. Period. Poop. So today, as you can see, it's another recreation video. Y'all really ate my first one up, like, for real. So I decided to do another lookbook. I received any new clothes. Most you guys are about to see are just from in my closet or my chest drawer, anything, girl. Like, I did not leave my house to make this video. So if I can do it, y'all can do it too. But Lovely Wholesale, they're supposed to be sending me some more clothes, but that's not for like another couple of weeks. So for the sake of uploading every single day for Vlogmas, I'm gonna go ahead and pull through and come with some looks. Disclaimer, this is a recreating video, meaning that I don't have the same exact pieces as the people I found off Pinterest. So y'all gotta bear with me if it's like a different color scheme or if it's a different brand, but I'm gonna try my best to get as close to it. So without further ado, let's recreate these looks. Okay, so here's my first look. What is it giving, y'all? I don't know what y'all, but I think I matched it. Yeah. I don't have, for some reason I cannot find the other pair of Nike socks for this, so I literally just took a regular white sock, but in the picture the girl had well leg up. Did I nail it? I think I nailed it. I think I nailed it. These pants are from Fashion Nova. I don't wear them though. I bought them in like June and I have not worn them once, so I was thinking about selling them at my Depop if anybody wants them. They are a size small. The shirt is from Forever. No, I lied. The shirt's from Fashion Nova as well, but this is a men's shirt and it's a medium, hence why it's so big. Yeah, so this is definitely a streetwear outfit. Whether you're going out with your friends or you're just going out and you want to look drippy, this is definitely a good outfit to wear. But I rate my comparison, I rated a 9. Only thing I would say is the socks, but like I said, I don't know what they are. Okay, so here is the next look. Y'all probably see me on Instagram with these pants on, but here is the look. I had some gray sweats, but they weren't as baggy as I wanted them to be, so I put these on. These pants are from Forever 21. Right, girl, it's cute AF. Then I have on my Yeezys. And I was gonna find a top that looks just like hers, but it wasn't the same color. Like, it was purple. It wouldn't look right. So I just have my favorite, y'all know my favorite top from Pretty Little Thing. And then I just have this jeans jacket from Old Navy. So here's how the jacket looks on. Giving the girls, you know, giving the girls concerns in the video. I think I nailed this look. What y'all think? I think I look cuter than the girl in the picture if you ask me, but I ain't gonna do too much. So yeah, I definitely rate this outfit a 9. I would say 10, but the top, I feel like the top she had on look much cuter with this, but I just didn't have one that looked exactly like that. So this would probably be like a more fall type outfit, because right now where I'm at is winter AF and this shirt would not fly. So this one gets a 9. Okay, so here is the next look. I don't know about y'all, but it's scary how spot on I'm getting these outfits though. Like, it's not spot on, then better. Like, of course, the only difference for real is my shoe color, but I mean, that was expected. So I have on my cheetah print UGG slides, my fluffy slides. And then I have these jeans. The jeans are from Old Navy, but they didn't come like this. They were regular white jeans, but I had cut them, whatever. I put my own rips. So yeah, only difference for is the shoes, the placement of the rips, because hers was at her knees. Both of them are at her knees. And the color of my jeans jacket. I do have a lot of wash. I just didn't feel like taking it out. So this is it. Yeah. Of course, I feel like the outfit is incomplete because I don't have on any lashes, but it's okay. I already know I'm gonna step out, period. Yeah, it's like, what is it giving the girls? And it's just period. Period. All talking about keep mommy young. Okay, now I know I said a winter lookbook, but y'all, I literally could not, like, I couldn't resist. I seen this dress in my closet and I have not worn it out yet, and I was like, I have to, because look at it. Giving the girls, like, what is it giving y'all? This is really cute. Y'all know this is like the dress of Instagram because everybody wears it with their Yeezy slides. But if it was warmer, I would definitely wear this out either to like brunch or on a date with a jacket, of course. So this is just me putting it on for the fun of it. Although the whole Instagram done worn it, I really like this outfit. Like, don't call me. Yeah, this outfit I rate a 10. The only thing I say, or the only downside, is that the dress keeps rising up or riding up. But I mean, it ain't nothing to just pull it back down. So my shades, my couture frames from Dior Dynasty, which will be restocked soon. So make sure y'all stay on the lookout. And that's just period. On to the next look. I'm gonna just go ahead and say F winter because clearly it's giving the girls hot girl summer. But yeah, of course, I think in the picture she had on a jumpsuit. I, for whatever reason, don't have any jumpsuits like that, so I had to improvise to put on a dress. But it still get the same cute look with my Air Force Ones. I need some new ones. It is provided by them on Instagram, okay? Y'all can get this super cute purse. Yes, please don't play. They provided the purse and the headband. So whenever y'all see me Louis Prada Gucci, this look is them. So I just want to give a huge shout out to them. Yes, ma'am. Let's get into their stuff. Is legit. It's very affordable. Like I said, headband and the purse was from them. So y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Her outfit. I tried to do 2 pigtails too. I really struggle with that. But I would give this look a 9. Only because I don't have the jumpsuit. But if I did, I'm pretty sure I would pull the look off like exactly. We're gonna grab a spoiled milk. Okay, so my last and final look is this. Yeah, the girl didn't have a bag. I just felt like putting it with it for, you know, aesthetic reasons. The jeans look kind of weird. If y'all can tell, I gained weight, so it's like more tight up here than this bottom. And the girl had on some shorts, but I felt like that was tacky, so I kind of just left it like this. But the jeans are from No Fashion Style. Use my code DANNY15 for money off. And then this is just an old faded glory top from Walmart that I cut. Of course, my handy dandy pretty little thing top, and then this bag I got from Slutty Vegan. Definitely fall vibes. So you can wear it this summer or fall. It's really cozy, really chill, really cute. Period. And it's not expensive, as y'all can tell. Like I said, only built. The jeans, I definitely, like, I'm literally like trying to hold in my breath because the waist is very much smaller than it was before. But yeah, I rate this outfit a 10 just to chill, you know, not going anywhere too fancy with it. I had some more looks planned, but I can't find the clothes used to plan them. I lost the clothes. They really just like ran off my bed and I cannot find them. And I'm not gonna start my room because the baby girl, yeah, it looks like a tornado passed through my room, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna sleep in and hopefully that takes her. That wraps up my recreation videos. You guys don't forget to shop Dior Dynasty, my Playboy. My Playboy channel, everybody has been asking me about. This is still on sale. I had this on since July. Has not tarnished, broken, faded, none of that. Changed color. It's not like that jewelry from out the mall. And don't forget to shop with them for the cutest pieces. But if all hearts and minds are clear, that wraps it up for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more. Bye, Dior Dynasty.